Alright, so we are at the Atlantis Resort in the Bahamas. We are heading to the water park. Oh, you actually did it.
Landed on my arm.
So Kim likes all the crazy slides, the big drop slides. I'm good with just a lazy river. I don't know about you. Maybe comment below if you're a lazy river.
Rapids. Look at.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna die.
Look at rapids coming up.
Oh no. If you like the lazy rivers, comment below. If you like crazy water slides like Kim because you're nuts, comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe. Tell your friends, family, co-workers. Oh, come back with. Oh. Yeah, it's nuts.
Oh, here we go.
Whoa. Boom. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, watch your feet, watch your feet. Now we're going backwards. Now we're going backwards. Whoa. Oh man.
Oh, damn.
Whoa. Whoa. Wow. This can't be safe. This can't be safe. This would never pass US regulations. That's why they're able to do it in the Bahamas.
Did you know this was here?
Oh yeah. All right, so we're about to go on our first coaster water slide. So this should be pretty fun. I've seen them online a bunch of times, but this is the first time we've actually been to a water park that had one. So pretty excited for this. Here we go! Ah, watch your butt! Watch your butt! Oh, that hurt my butt, man. Alright, lunchtime, so we're gonna go find this cool bar that just sits right on this ocean. Shuffleboard.
He was whooping on me.
I was looking on this.
And then I knocked it to -10. And then I won.
Not a bad view and not a bad place to play a little bit of shuffleboard. Pretty cool.
Not that time.
All right, so that concludes our day here at Atlantis at the water park. That was pretty fun.
We hope you enjoyed as much as we did.
Yeah, it was some pretty cool rides. Place just, we and Kim were talking about at lunch. I mean, we could be here for a week and never run out of things to do. The water park, and part of the fee that you're paying is not just for the water park. You actually get access to the beach. That they have their own section of the beach here. The aquarium, which we just walked through, which is actually behind us here. And they cool, pretty neat aquarium.
Yeah.
So I was pretty impressed. Yeah, but all in all, we thought Atlantis was pretty cool. It was, we'd seen it before when we cruised here 15 years ago.
20 years ago.
And we never actually stopped in to look at it, but now that we're here, it'd definitely be a place that we would like to take a trip back to again for the beach that they had there. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, it was perfectly white sand beaches. I mean,
And the blue water is insane.
stuff that you would see in magazines. I mean, it was right there, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah. They also have swim with dolphin encounters, and I think it was swim with dolphins. Maybe it was boating the dolphins.
Yeah.
But anyway, there's a bunch of
Yeah,
different things that
they
you
have
can
a
do.
Discovery Cave for dolphins.
Oh yeah.
All right, see you later.